guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a project share and it's a VR for Joanne. Her channel name is HAPPYMAILSTAMPER. Before I get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So guys, Joanne had asked us if we wanted to participate. All we had to do was send 4 packages of sequin mix, however you wanted to send them. They didn't have to all match, whatever you wanted to do, and you'll end up getting sequins back in return. And if you're the grand winner, you're gonna get one of everybody's sequin mix that participated. And I gotta tell you guys, a lot of people have already participated in her challenge. So here is what I did. I ended up creating a little purse that had a sequin shaker, and I put a sequin mix inside. How cute are these little bags, guys? I want to show you how simple it was for me to use the Cricut Design Space to put them together. This is the template. It's a purse template, as you see, guys, and I decided to create the shoe into a shaker. I've already applied my double-sided tape and I'm just burnishing the edges, and then I'm going to peel it off and place. I have found that using the double-sided tape works better than the liquid glue. It just helps it get formed onto the paper and stick better. I'm going to use this frame to finish up around the edges of my sequin pouch, and I'm going to use my art glitter glue for this step here. Now that my frame is on, all I got to do is glue around the sides, the bottom, and a little bit of embellishing, and we'll be all done. So this is how it turned out when it's all finished, guys. And on this one, you see I ended up putting this cute little border at the top, the little butterfly with the bling in the center. I have the Velcro dot and added some little butterflies and a blingy in the middle. And yup, it's a shaker. Inside I put a little bit of shred, and now I'm gonna put my little packaging in, and this is what it looks like, guys. I have this really cute mix with seashells and unicorns and flowers. It's so pretty. On each one I used the cutout that came from the purse here, the little shoe, and I made a banner and just put a little sentiment on it. And then on the back here, I have my YouTube channel info so that the person will remember where they got it from. So I thought this was a cute way to package up a sequin mix, and then if they want to take the little bag apart, they could use the embellishments and the sequins in here. Alright guys, that is it for today. That was my project share and VR for Joanne. Her channel name is HAPPYMAILSTAMPER. You guys still have time to get in on this winnings for sequins. If you share some, I think that you will be happy because so many people have already sent in their entries for this sequin, whatever you want to call it, giveaway, roundabout, I'm not quite sure. But I urge you to get in on it. I hope you like what I created, and I can't wait to get back the sequins and people to see what I gave to them. Let me know what you guys think down below about my project share, how I packaged it up, and my mix. And as always, I hope you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.